Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with my new unboxing of Fireboltt ring Bluetooth calling smartwatch with SP02. Yes, and it is having 43 mm display and 1.7 inches HD display, signed by Virat Kohli. And let's check the specs. It has multiple sports mode, IP67 waterproof. It is waterproof watch. You can go for swimming and diving, and also with it wearing it. Sleep monitoring, as you can, it's having sleep monitoring. As you already know that in every smartwatches this feature is available. Sleep monitoring, sports mode is there, but IP67 waterproof. It's double level of waterproofing, and this is the new feature. I think listen to music on the watch. In other watches you also have this feature, but this feature is enhanced in this watch. Bluetooth calling, SP02 monitoring, heart rate tracking, steps counting, multiple watch faces, message reminder. Multiple watch faces is what we know today. Like, we have trends of changing wallpapers in watches also, so that's what they have mentioned. Music control, you can play music in your mobile and control it with your watch also. And it has remote camera. Okay, so you can also remote your camera with it. The display mentioned over here: operation, full touch and side buttons, Bluetooth 5.0, 270 mAh battery is quite fine. Other than that, it is iOS 9.0 plus and Android 4.4 plus system compatible. And let's see what's there. Okay, let's open it. So, icon of Fireboltt, and this is the watch. And we got the charger and booklet, user manual, how to use it, faces, etc., music control. You can find each and everything in this. This is the warranty card. Must keep it if you buy it. Okay, this is the gift vouchers. I think it's Ghana Music app, 3 months free subscription from Fireboltt. Wow. And you have won the exclusive Bolt Play app membership, and we just got the Play app membership. So see what we will get in this. And free Book My Show voucher. And oh wow, so we can go for a movie. Okay, let's get back to the watch. Finish is too good. I ordered the white because I like white straps in the watches. It is slider. Strap is slider, like it's come out like a little slide and it will come out. Watch is too good as per me. Okay, let's open it. Wow, the feature is too good. I have not connected it yet, so it's showing no notification. Other menus, calling, light, this is the settings. You can control brightness, phone systems, call reset, disturb, theater. Watch is not paired. Honeycomb menu style. It's talking about the menu style. Okay, as you have seen this watch, so beautiful watch. The main thing is the chrome and the view. Like it's pure covered fully, like this to this, edge to edge, it's covered. It's too good. I have used other also. I will not put the names in this video, but this watch is quite better than other brands. So this is must buy, and thanks for watching this video. If you like the unboxing, keep commenting and check my review and subscribe also, so I will make more better and comes with the other text. So I will not put the names in this video, but this watch is quite better than other brands. So this is must buy, and thanks for watching this video. If you like the unboxing, keep commenting and check my review and subscribe also, so I will make more better and comes with the other tech specs or other unboxings. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.